Okay, I've set this up with half of the outer ring red and half of it yellow in dark field. So the NeoPixels are quite low, and I've got a 10 times objective here, and you're looking at a field of diatoms. They may not be perfectly focused, but my objective is to show you the different kinds of illumination that you can achieve. So we could then we could bring some Reinberg in. So I'm just going to do that by lighting some of the center as blue and see how that looks. So now I've lit just one pixel actually in the center blue. Shows what a good job actually the plastic diffuser does of creating even illumination. So there you are. That's a Reinberg effect. Now let's go to obviously you can do anything you want with this. You can make any pixel, any color at any intensity. Let's go to the presets. So I've got a dark field or col red. What you see depends upon how high the NeoPixels are in the condenser carrier. Let's go to green. Let's go to blue. Let's go to white. White will be brighter because all three elements of the NeoPixel are on. Okay, so now let's look at some oblique illumination. This is oblique left, oblique right, oblique bottom, oblique top. Don't quite know why the top version is brighter than the bottom version, presumably because the NeoPixel ring isn't perfectly centered. Okay, let's try some Reinberg. These are on presets. So blue, yellow, green, red, blue, red, and green, blue. Obviously you need to change the exposure or ISO between changing these things, but I haven't bothered, just so I can show you how quickly you can change. I'm going to do this just to illustrate that. So I'm really flipping between them really fast now, and you'll see how things are changing on the film. So that's it. Very versatile. Don't throw your glass away because the dark ground is not as dark field as a glass condenser, but my goodness, you can get a lot of different effects.